Introducing bulak manok, Ageraton conizoides of the family Asteraceae. Bulak manok is an ascending to erect annual 0.2 to 1 meter high with a strong odor. The stem is hairy, much branched. The leaves are simple, opposite, ovate, 5 to 13 centimeters long, 3 to 6 centimeters wide, with crenate or serrated margins. Tip acute, narrowing abruptly at the base to a hairy stalk up to 5 centimeters long. It is propagated by seed. It is found in many dryland field crops, plantation crops, vegetable crops, and pastures. Bulak manok, commonly known as billy goatweed, tropical whiteweed, or goatweed, is a flowering plant traditionally used in herbal medicine across Africa, Asia, and South America. It is valued for its potential anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound healing properties.